Let's go back to the zoo for more animals, birds, and fish.
Bark. P is for parrot. Parrot. Bark.
O is for ostrich. This is an ostrich. An ostrich is a bird. This is the biggest bird ever. Ostrich. This brown animal is a llama. Llama. That's a nice word, isn't it? Llama. And that's a nice animal, too. Some people have cats as pets. This is a big cat, but you wouldn't want it as a pet. This is a tiger. 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 And he's sleeping. This is another big cat. That's the lion. And the lion goes, roar. Lion. You know, if you have a really long neck, you're probably a giraffe. Giraffes have really long necks. Do you see? Can you point to their necks? Those are giraffes. Look at the big nose on this animal. That's a rhinoceros. Wherever this animal goes, it takes its house with him because he lives in his shell. This is a turtle. Turtle. Turtle begins with the letter T. You see this bird? This one is a stork. People think that babies come delivered to houses by storks. I don't know. Is that true? How many gazelles do you see? I see almost a gazillion gazelles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gazelles. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of different kinds of birds in the world. And this kind of bird is called
a black vulture.
Moo. What animal gives us milk? I know. A cow. Moo. This, as we all know, is a cat. And a cat goes,
meow, meow, meow.
Right. Snake begins with the letter S. Snakes like to crawl and stick their tongue out at you. Snake. Here's another bird. This is called a hawk. H-A-W-K. Hawk. This is an eagle. Eagles fly really high up in the air. This big, big animal is an elk. Look at the horns on its head. Elk. Do you know what these pretty animals are? They're impala. Can you say impala? I see the big, bad, white wolf. Look at the wolf. He doesn't look so bad. This is a goat. Boing, 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 boing. Kangaroos bounce all over the place. Kangaroo. Boing.